Staging a home, a visual guide to enhancing your space. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in real estate: staging a home. This term might be new to many of you, so we'll break it down, explain its meaning, and show how it's used in context. Let's dive in. Staging a home refers to the process of preparing a residential property for sale in the real estate marketplace. The goal is to make the home appealing to the highest number of potential buyers, thereby selling the property more swiftly and for a higher price. Staging techniques include cleaning, decluttering, rearranging furniture, and sometimes adding decorative elements. It's all about showcasing the home's best features. In this section, we'll explore why staging can be a game changer in selling a home. Staging a home makes it easier for potential buyers to visualize the property as their future home. It can also help highlight the property's positive aspects while downplaying its flaws. Statistics often show that staged homes sell faster and for higher prices compared to those that are not staged. It's important to differentiate between staging and decorating. Decorating is personalizing a space to reflect the style and taste of the homeowner. In contrast, staging is depersonalizing and neutralizing the space to appeal to a broader range of tastes. This section will provide visual examples to illustrate these differences. Here, we'll offer practical tips for staging a home effectively. This includes advice on decluttering, choosing neutral colors, optimizing lighting, and arranging furniture to maximize space. We'll also discuss the role of curb appeal and how small changes can make a big difference. This section will cover some common pitfalls in home staging, like overstaging, ignoring home repairs, or neglecting the exterior of the house. We'll provide examples and tips on how to avoid these mistakes. And that's a wrap on our journey through home staging. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the concept and importance of staging a home, especially in the context of real estate. Remember, a well-staged home can be a key factor in a successful property sale. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.